Hello student. Ethics previous year question series uh, we are discussing, and today we will discuss one question that has been asked in 2019, and what are the basic principles of public life, and I will state any of these with suitable examples. So if you ask any individual, any student, he will say that it is very easy to answer, and yes, it is easy, but the way you answer that matters. How to get more marks, like this student, she has written like that she has started with Nolan principles of public life recommendations. I think you are aware. So integrity, honesty, transparency, selflessness, accountability, these are the some of the important principles or trait that people should have in public life. Public life means when wherever you are rendering government service, or be it in any way you are related with the government, the organizations. Now question is that what is transparency? Take one example. Transparency is a important thing, because transparency, see, it is in your discretion that suppose several applications come, and to whom which application you pick up and you sanction. But the criteria that you have used in the selection of that application, in one case, you know, that you have disclosed that this was the criteria and I have taken this. Although it was in your discretion, there was no any requirement for that thing, but despite that you have done. What will happen? It will earn public trust. It will earn your credibility. And which you means your office, public office. And democracy or any system run with the trust. When people trust, when people have confidence, then they participate and system runs. So this is very important principles. There was one officers in I think in MP. So there was in cases reported in newspaper that he in his office deliberately put a camera, then whoever visitor are there, what he or she is talking about, everything will be recorded. So such a transparency was maintained by that officer. So and it was available for to everyone. So see this thing, that how he was dealing, how he was what kind of how he was dealing with the people, and what was the criteria used to make decision. Everything was in public. So such a transparency is highly admirable in public life, and that works. So likewise you can take any of because so it is not discuss any of this thing. So you should add some case study type, some examples, real life example. It will enhance ecological validity of your content, and that will definitely fetch you better marks. जब अब चीज़ें रियल लाइफ से कनेक्ट होती है ना, तो उसमें ज़्यादा विश्वास भी आता है और लगता है हाँ ये होता है. सो इन दैट केस यू विल गेट बेटर मार्क्स. लेकिन अगर आप एक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट तरीके से लिखेंगे, नोलान कमीशन हैज रिटन दिस थिंग, सो दिस प्रिंसिपल दिस, एवरीबडी वुड राइट इन द सेम वे. तो आपने उसमें वैल्यू एडिशन क्या किया, क्लैरिटी क्या लाया उसमें. सो जस्ट कीप दैट थिंग्स इन माइंड, that if you add some case in point or exemplify, elaborate with suitable example, real life example, then in that way of answering will fetch you better marks. So I hope I made this point clear. And when you write, then you can, if you want, you can send your answer to our email ID that is given in the description box, and I will evaluate 5 best answer. I will let you know. So this way you can participate in this series for free. So if you want that your answer should be evaluated, you send your answer. I will try my best to take certain number of answers and evaluate and let you know that what you have done, like this one. Thank you.